Have you ever felt like your mind is just loud? Like there are 1,000 thoughts racing through your head, unfinished ideas, worries about tomorrow, regrets from yesterday. And no matter what you do, you just can't quiet it? Let me ask you something. When was the last time you actually sat down and listened to your own thoughts? Not scrolling, not distracted, not numbing the noise. Just you and you, our mind. Because here's the truth most people don't realize. Your mind is not the problem. The problem is you've never been taught how to talk to it. And that's where journaling comes in. Journaling is not just writing. It's not about being a good writer. It's not about grammar. It's not about making it look pretty. It's about honesty. Raw, uncomfortable, real honesty. Because when you start journaling, you stop running from yourself. Let me ask you something again. What are you avoiding right now? Is it a decision? A fear? A dream you've been putting off? Write it down. Because the moment you put it on paper, it stops controlling you. Most people carry their thoughts like a heavy backpack. Every doubt, every fear, every what if, they just keep stacking it, and stacking it, and stacking it, until one day they feel overwhelmed, lost, stuck. But journaling? Journaling is how you unpack. Imagine this. You sit down, you open a blank page, and for the first time in a long time, you don't hold back. You write everything. The anger, the confusion, the dreams you're too scared to say out loud. And suddenly, your mind feels lighter. Let me ask you something. If you could write one thing right now, something you've never told anyone, what would it be? Drop it in the comments. No overthinking, just truth. Here's something powerful. Your thoughts become clearer when they leave your head. Because inside your mind, everything feels chaotic. But on paper, you start to see patterns. You start to understand yourself. And that's where your growth begins. Not from motivation videos, not from advice, but from awareness. Think about this. How many times have you felt stuck in life? Like you don't know what to do next? Journaling gives you direction. Because when you write, you start asking better questions. And better questions lead to better decisions. Be honest with yourself. Do you feel in control of your life right now? Or do you feel like you're just reacting to everything? Type control or lost in the comments. No judgment, just truth. Most people wait. They wait to feel ready. They wait for motivation. They wait for the right time. But journaling? You don't need anything. No money, no special skill, no perfect moment. Just a pen and a decision. Start today, not tomorrow, not next week. Today. Because a year from now, you'll either have pages full of growth or excuses. Let me tell you something real. Your future self is watching you right now. Not literally, but in the choices you make today. And your future self is asking, why didn't you start sooner? Journaling is one of those things that seems small, but changes everything. It changes how you think, how you feel, how you make decisions. It helps you heal. And maybe that's what you need right now. Not more noise, not more scrolling, not more distractions, just clarity. Let me ask you this. What's one goal you've been putting off? Write it in the comments. Then write it in your journal tonight. Because saying it is one thing, but writing it, that makes it real. If this message hit you, if something inside you is telling you to start, then don't ignore it. And if you want more messages like this, more reminders to stay focused, make sure you subscribe. Because this is just the beginning. Remember, you don't need to have everything figured out. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need to start. One page, one thought, one honest moment with yourself. That's how change begins. So, tonight, before you sleep, take 5 minutes. Sit down, open a blank page, and ask yourself, who am I becoming? Then write. No filters, no fear, no holding back. Because your story is waiting, and it deserves to be heard, even if it's just by you. For now,